guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Shauna. In today's video, I will be going over this makeup look I am wearing right now, showing you guys exactly how I achieved this look. But before we get into the tutorial, if you're not already, make sure that you are following me on all of my social media. I have it all listed right here for you guys, so you can follow me on my Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. I am always posting over there. And also, if you guys are interested, head over to my website so you can check out my blog post. It is right here. It is shaunaemily.com, where I post anything to do with beauty, fashion, lifestyle, travel, and all that good stuff. But without further ado, guys, let us jump into this makeup tutorial. I've already completed my skincare, which is cleansing, exfoliating, toning, and moisturizing. So we're going to get right into the makeup tutorial itself. So the first thing I'm going to take is this product here by Maybelline. This is their Instant Age Rewind Eraser Treatment Concealer. And I'm going to prep my eyelids with this. I'm just going to put a little bit on each eyelid, kind of bringing it up to the brow bone. And I'm just going to blend that in using my fingers. The eyeshadow palette that I'm using today is a new one that I just purchased recently. You probably would have seen it in my spring haul video that I just put up a few weeks ago. I'll link that up here somewhere so you guys can take a look at that if you want. But I am using this palette here. This is the Hey Girl Hey palette from Morphe, also known as the 25C palette. So this is what the palette looks like here. It has a good mix of matte shadows as well as shimmer shadows. So we are going to create this entire look today using this palette. I'm going to start with this shadow right here as my transition color on the Sigma E40 tapered blending brush. Just bringing this color into the crease like so and blowing it out. Like I said, this is going to be a super grungy and blown out smoky eyeshadow, so we're going to be taking this out far and up high. Next up, I'm going to take my MAC 217 brush and this color right here, this pink magenta color, and I'm just going to bring that over top of what I just put on, just so that there's a bit of a pink color peeking through at the edges. So I'm just going to be very light-handed with this at the beginning. And then just taking any clean blending brush and just blending out the edges. Next up, I'm taking a flat shader brush. This is from the Illuminate Cosmetics by Ashley Tisdale brush set, which I will link down below in the description box. But I'm going to pick up my next color, which is this one right here, which is another matte color. It is a deep plum color. And we're going to pack this all over the entire lid. And going back with my original brush, the Sigma E40 brush, just blending that all in through the crease. Next up, I want to start deepening up the color in the outer V. So I'm going to be taking this color right here, which is a very dark purpley brown plum color. We're going to be picking that up on this pencil brush, again from the Illuminate Cosmetics brush set, and just blending that slowly, bit by bit, into the outer V. Again, just taking my MAC 217 brush and blending on my lid where the dark pink meets the dark purple plum color. just kind of blending it. I'm not picking up any more shadow on this brush, just strictly blending. I just want to deepen it up even more on the outer V, so I'm going in with the darkest shade in the color, which is this matte black color, just on the exact same pencil brush we used with this color here. I'm not picking up a whole lot of this color, just the tiniest bit, just to deepen it up that little bit extra so that I get the depth in the color that I want. And going back again with the 217 and blending that all together. So that's pretty much the eyeshadow on the lid done. I'm just taking this makeup wipe now, and just with my finger I'm going to clean up underneath my eyes where any fallout may have fallen, and just to sharpen up the outer corner and the edge of the eyeshadow. I'm now going to move on to completing my face makeup, so I'm going to start with primer. The primer I'm going to use today is this one here from Tarte. This is their Mattifying primer. Just put a little bit on my finger, rub my fingertips together, and then start in my T-zone and kind of bringing it out from there. For foundation today, I'm using this one. This is one of my favorites. It is from The Body Shop, and this is their Matte Clay Skin Clarifying Foundation in the color number 23 Sagano Bamboo. I'm just going to be putting some of that onto my buffing brush from Real Techniques, and just apply that to the skin and buff it in. Okay, so foundation is done. Next up, I'm going to go back into this concealer here and just conceal the rest of my face. So that'll be under my eyes, my nose, a little bit on my chin. And I'm just going to use my foundation brush to blend this all in. Next up, I want to do my brows. I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. This is in the color Taupe. So I'm just going to take this little spoolie brush and just brush through these brows. I'm going to be applying my dip brow with my MAC 266 angled brush. Now I haven't changed how I do my brows at all. I always start by outlining the bottom, then doing the top, filling it all in, and then doing the tail of my brow at the end. Next up, I just want to do some setting, and I'm using this product here. This is my Kat Von D Lock-It Translucent Powder. I'm going to be applying that with my Real Techniques contour brush. Dab into the pot here, tap off, and then just dab and kind of pat on my setting powder here. Next up, I want to do some contouring, so I'm using an old favorite of mine. This is technically a blush by MAC, and it is called Harmony. I'm going to apply that with my angled contour brush from Illuminate Cosmetics. Just dab in there and go right in. Kind of bringing it up towards my temples. Also just going to bring this underneath the jawline just to chisel that a little bit and give the illusion of a sharper jaw. And just to bronze up my skin a little bit, I'm going to use my Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. Just with this exact same brush I used MAC Harmony on, and just to add a bit more color to my skin. Bring this up over my forehead, to give a bit of a sun-kissed glow to my skin. Make it look like I've been at the beach. Just want to contour my nose a little bit, so using the Butter Bronzer again with this Deluxe Crease Brush from Real Techniques, just dabbing in a little bit and just going down the sides of my nose. To finish off the eye look, I am going to do some under eye shadow, and I'm going back into this flat shader brush that I used earlier and picking up this color right here and just bringing that the full length from outer to inner corner underneath my eyes. And then just with the same brush again, picking up the slightly darker color right here and putting that just underneath but on the outer corner and kind of mimicking the darkness on the upper lid. Next up, I just want to line my waterline and tightline, and I'm using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the color Perversion. For lashes, I'm going to curl them with my Revlon eyelash curlers as always, and then I'm going to go in with a coat of the new Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara on top and bottom lashes. I actually love this mascara so much, and usually on a everyday basis I would just leave my lashes here. However, I am going for more of a full-on eye look here, as you guys can tell. So I'm going to be applying some lashes, and the ones I'm using are these ones from Dodo Lashes. These are the D207 style. So these are more of a dramatic eyelash, and I'm going to be applying that using my Duo Lash Adhesive and my Tarteist lash applicators. Alright, lashes are on and they look amazing. They are the perfect lash to go with this eye look. Next up, I want to do blush, and I'm using this product here from Colourpop. This is their Super Shock Cheek in the color Between the Sheets. I'm going to apply this blush using my Anastasia Beauty F111 blush brush. So I'm just dabbing in like this, shaking it off, and I'm going to apply it straight to my cheeks. I quickly just want to set my face, and I'm using my usual Cover FX Mattifying Setting Spray. I want to just add some highlight. You guys would have seen me use this before. This is the Killawatt highlighter in the duo Lightning Dust and Fire Crystal. I'm going to be using the Fire Crystal side right here. To apply that, I'm using this brush here. This is the L36 highlighting brush from SL Miss Glam. Just taking a bit on my finger to do my nose, as well as the inside of my eyes, the inside corners, and my brow bone as well. We are ready for lips. I do have two different options for lips. I don't know which one I'm going to like better. This is an Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the color Catnip. I'm quickly just going to line my lips using this MAC Pro Longwear lip pencil in the color Good Timing. Alright, and this is the finished makeup look. I love how this turned out so much. I don't very often do grungy, blown out, smoky eye looks like this, and so that's why I really wanted to do something different than what I usually do, and I love how it came out. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already by clicking the red subscribe button on my YouTube homepage, as well as the little bell notification button there so you get notified every time I put up a new YouTube video, which is weekly on Wednesdays. But that is it for today's video, guys. Thanks again for tuning in, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye, guys.